Next question is about like enterprise AI integration. How deeply is AI embedded into your day-to-day enterprise workflows and things like that? Whenever I think of that, I think of like Microsoft because GitHub Copilot and then Copilot was everywhere. So maybe just talk a little bit about, that how does AI fit into the everyday experience with Microsoft?
Definitely. And actually, even before I get into the enterprise aspect, so Micro overall definitely has a very holistic AI kind of approach. Like even regular end users, they can utilize AI. It's there in the Windows OS these days. So, for example, if anyone uses a paintbrush, we have AI. You can remove background and fine-tune photos and whatnot. If you use snipping tool to grab screenshots and whatnot, you can redact sensitive information because AI is built into snipping tool now. You can also extract text from images and whatnot. Notepad, even Notepad has AI available as well. You can summarize your text, you can generate more text, you can format your text in Notepad for absolutely free of cost. If you use the Edge browser, we have AI voices integrated. You can have text read out aloud in a very crystal clear AI sort of voice. We have Copilot embedded as well. We have visual search. You can grab a screenshot of anything and ask it to describe and whatnot. And like I mentioned, Copilot PCs are available as well.